You will never enter Southeast till you die. Biafran Group tears Joe Igbokwe. Biafran Nations League (BNL) has dared Joe Igbokwe, the Lagos State spokesperson of the All Progressive Congress (APC), to come to the Southeast. BNL said that the APC chieftain won't be spared if he enters the Southeast, describing him as an aide to Governor Sanwo-Olu for sewage disposal. The national leader of the BNL, Prince Will Chimezie Richard, in a statement sent to Daily Post on Friday, said that Joe Igbokwe will never enter the Southeast until he dies, adding that youth of the region will stone him to death for sabotage. First of all, he is not ashamed that for years he can't attend public functions in Igbo land. He doesn't visit home. He feels he is occupying a good office in Lagos. For that, he is always defending whatever the APC government does. What he doesn't know, he is just a mere SA on public latrine and sewage disposal. The BNL said that Igbokwe will meet his untimely death if he enters the East to fight the Biafran supporters, adding that he will only sabotage the cause in Lagos and Abuja. That is it. I said it, that Joe Igbokwe will definitely land himself into a ditch that he will find difficult to pull himself out. That is it. You see what this mouth can lead someone into. This is what the mouth can lead someone into. That is what Joe Igbokwe have put himself into. You see, he deserves it. If the youth says they don't want to see you in Southeast, they are 100% right. They are 100% right. So, I don't know, but what I believe is that the youth don't go back to their words. The youth are people that you don't underestimate their action. If you like, go with 1,000 security men. They will still do what they have said they will do. I'm telling you. So Joe Igbokwe should get himself ready because they are ready for him. They are ready for him. You can imagine. It's too disgraceful. An old man of your kind cannot even go back to your home anymore. You've not been going home. You just built a house and left it there. You don't even know your home. I don't know if you know your home. That is why you can open your mouth and start saying all the nonsense that you've been saying. Because they made you an SA, a position that you will soon leave very soon. And once you leave it, you become empty vessel. Because the next administration, I don't know if they are going to give you any position. Because you have been a disgrace to this very administration. This administration has made useless of all of you. All of you. The world are taking note of all your statements. And you think that if anyone is to come into office, you would like to take someone of your kind into office, as lousy as you are? Your lousiness is what is putting you into a big ditch, and you are indirectly exposing your whole family to crisis. Unknowingly to you, you think you are enjoying. Okay, you keep it up. You just keep it up until you meet what you've not met before. That is what your mouth has put you into. Now the youth have said it, that they don't want to meet your leg or they don't want to see your face in Southeast. So if you say that you are stubborn, then you can proceed. Then you can now see the other side of the youth. Of course, you know that the youth are not to be dared. You don't need to dare the youth because you know what they are capable of doing. You see that? So I will say that I concur with the decision of the youth. I concur because you have over misbehaved. Now, when you say that it is Nnamdi Kanu that instructed the youth now, your mouth is what instructed the youth to take this decision. Your mouth is what exposed you to the trouble that you have just gotten yourself involved. You see that? So it is your problem. Carry it. Carry it. It's just painful that you have just gotten your family involved. You have just gotten your families involved. And it's very bad. It's very bad. Now, as you are running, your children too will be running. They too will be running because now their father has committed an offense that is punishable. That is punishable. So that's your problem. So lift it up. Whether you like it or not, Southeast is your home. Southeast is your home, but quite unfortunate that you cannot step foot there again. So make Lagos your own Southeast. Probably look for somewhere to buy a land and build a village house for your family, because there is no more room for you in the Southeast. Even if the house there is built by you, I don't think it can accommodate you anymore. So you better go and sell it off before the youth go and demolish it for you. That is what I will say to you. You personally invited what is going after you now. It is not anyone that invited it on you. You invited it yourself. You said that that the Southeast can no longer contain you, that they should chase you away. Now they have chased you. So you better remain in Lagos because Lagos is your home. Okay? All right, my dear viewers in the house, based on what Joe Ibuki have just said, what do you think? Let's hear from you and know what your opinion is. Don't forget to leave your comments below the comment box. Click on the subscription buttons as well as the bell buttons to get updated each time we upload any new videos. Thank you.